Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Central banks use specific tools to fight unemployment when reserves are ample, so let's quickly find the right action to boost the economy right now. In a banking system with ample reserves, the central bank influences the economy by changing administered rates rather than using traditional open market operations to shift the total money supply. Decreasing the interest paid on reserves encourages commercial banks to lend more money out to the public instead of keeping it parked safely at the central bank for a return. This stimulates investment and consumption, which increases aggregate demand and lowers the cyclical rate of unemployment. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps carefully.